What's going on these times is ill. Queens get the money, I'ma say what I feel. Drake still suing UMG, dog, that's the minimum. Rosanne Barr dropped a diss song for Eminem. I don't know what's worse, this wack diss song to soldiers. You rockin' extensions, appropriating the black culture. Ain't no admiration, this my dissertation. Rapping that feature you was trash too, he's sanitation. Times ain't the same, nothing that you used to. Went from Jesus walk to Jesus taking the Uber, now peace to the shooters. Stressed out, puffin' the Buddha, Nintendo with Rugers, no healthcare, Luigi the shooter. It's like a snow blizzard, ice come like bad weather. Trump said everybody going even, your Abuelas. Swirl up in the field, they cancel rappers, they gone. They need to chill, leave it shiny, baby daddy alone. Got a baby on the way, mad bills to pay. So he gon' get this paper caring, that's what none of y'all say. Hey yo, morally they flip-flop. This ain't really hip-hop, obituaries everywhere. Rest in peace to TikTok, they selling phones on eBay. The download is furious, 25K a pop, it ain't that serious. Drake said it's defamation, he don't like kids. But was it defamation when you said his kids ain't his? I mean the battle was enticing, hit him with a hyphen. It's really getting frightening when rappers acting light skin. Trump put it down, men on tights, all sorts. He don't want y'all men playing in women's sports. And Bruce Jenner co-sign it, I guess that's cool. I mean it's only logical, cause it apply to you too. I mean we really all admiring, reading the environment. But at the same time, dog, don't come out retirement. Women acting masculine, men acting sassy. Snowstorms wild, I got your car looking ashy. Talk about getting rid of DEI and vision, but ain't nobody talking about systemic racism. And ain't nobody talking about brutality, it's quite clear. Martin had a dream, but we live in his nightmare. Them LA fires was a tragedy, it gotta be. Insurance companies is playing games with the policies. The big girl got denied a taxi, no admission. Lyft driver said you ain't messing up my suspicion. And now she's suing with discrimination for wealth. Keeping it real, sometimes y'all contradict yourselves. Cause Izzo had y'all thinking it was cool. Dog, and it should trick y'all. Once you drop the weight like a bad drug dealer, like it ain't exist, that ain't a diss. Where I'm from, homie, we callin' that a bait and switch. Selena Gomez crying about the migrants with passion. If you care that much, then let them stay up in your mansion. Plane crash was terrible, actually and factually. Flight 5342 was a tragedy.